Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we're going to be doing some chicken wings, and we're going to be doing them JP style. So you guys stay tuned and check them out. So we're going to be doing two styles of chicken wings. First style, we're going to be using our J.P.BBQ all-purpose blend. This is a very special blend of probably the best salt, pepper, and garlic that you can find around. Okay, had this specially made just for me. So good base layer of our J.P.BBQ is what we're gonna start off with, and these chicken wings are gonna look good. I mean, they look good already. And the first set is gonna have just salt, pepper, garlic, and we're gonna put them in our Weber Performer, and we're gonna be using our, it's not a Weber Vortex, but we're gonna be using our Vortex accessory to get that Weber Performer's inside chamber up there in temperature. So let me get these bad boys flipped over. Doosh, doosh. Oh man, that salt, pepper, garlic smells delicious. And you don't need a lot, you just need just a little bit. There we go. And get the other side covered up with our J.P.BBQ. And these will be ready to go. Yes, sir. Ooh, man. Oh, man. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. Alright. That's the nice thing about chicken wings. They can be done fairly quick and fairly easy. And they're good to eat. So we'll put these in this container. Put them back in the refrigerator, because the second set of chicken wings are going to have a different type of rub on it. They're all going to be topped off with our JP peach sauce. And for this second set, we're also going to be putting the base layer of our J.P.BBQ on it. Use this J.P.BBQ liberally. Ooh-wee. Get them flipped. Some people think that chicken wings are just for like quick little get-togethers. Got a football game Monday night or something. Well, you know, they are, you know, but you can eat chicken wings anytime you want. Yeah, I love chicken wings. There we go, got them all flipped. Get this second doses of our J.P.BBQ. Just get it all in there. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Second layer, we're gonna be putting our J.P.BBQ on it. Oh my goodness. That is what I'm talking about. This J.P.BBQ is what I usually use when I'm doing ribs. But you can use this just on about anything. You can put it on chicken wings, you can use it on a baby back rib, St. Louis rib, pork roast, chicken, you name it. You put it on there. Get these bad boys flipped over. What I really like to use it on is ribs. But we're gonna make some chicken wings today. I'll leave the wings for another, the ribs for another day. I think my next video is probably gonna be making some ribs using my sweet heat. That sweet heat is nice. Doesn't have an overpowering heat, but just enough to let you know that it's there. There we go. Got that bad boy. Them bad boys flipped over, and put another layer on the back side. There we go. That's what I'm talking. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the number right there. Yeah. Get these bad boys covered up in the J.P.BBQ rub. This last little wing for some reason just doesn't want to get enough. There we go. Get that right there. That'll work. I think that one missed a little bit right there. And when we're done cooking these bad boys, there it is. The J.P. peach sauce. So, got these bad boys already rubbed up. Gonna get the Weber Performer fired up, get them on there. We're gonna be using the Vortex accessory for it. We're gonna get that heat cranked up, and we're gonna pump us out some chicken wings. So you guys stay tuned. Look at this one right here. Ooh-wee. Is that a good looking chicken wing or what? I'm gonna give it a little taste test. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Meat comes right off the bone. That's what I like. Man, I can eat chicken wings any day of the week. I gotta go get my rag. Hold on one second. You see that? There we go. Man, these chicken wings are fantastic, guys. All I did to these wings here is just put a little bit of our J.P.BQ rub on it, which is my base layer of salt, pepper, garlic. And again, you're not gonna get any better salt, pepper, garlic than J.P.BQ. Topped it off with our peach sauce. Fantastic stuff. And these wings are ready to eat. But besides that, guys, do me a favor. Right there in the corner, there's a little subscribe button. Click on that button. Don't forget to hit that bell as well. That'll give you future notifications of upcoming videos. If you're interested in any of the products that I'm using, down in the bottom in the description is a link to my website. Go out and check it out. And also check out my affiliate links. Besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. And I will see you guys in the next cookout. Take care.